Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 5th, 2026, and we're diving into Flex's third quarter fiscal 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Flex has reported some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Flex reported net sales of $7.1 billion, which is an 8% increase compared to last year. John, what does this tell us about Flex's market position?
This growth in net sales indicates Flex's strong market position and the effectiveness of its diversified business model. The company has also achieved a record GAAP operating margin of 5.5% and an adjusted operating margin of 6.5%, marking the fifth consecutive quarter with an adjusted margin of 6% or greater. This shows their operational efficiency and ability to manage costs effectively.
And how about their earnings per share?
Flex reported a GAAP EPS of 64 cents and a record adjusted EPS of 87 cents, which significantly beats the analyst's forecast of 72. This is a clear indication of their strong financial performance this quarter.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Flex has raised its full-year guidance for net sales, adjusted operating margin, and adjusted EPS. What strategic initiatives are driving this optimism?
Flex's strategic initiatives, particularly in the data center sector, are paying off. The CEO, Revathi Advaithi, mentioned that their diversified business model is a key strength. They're positioning themselves as a strategic enabler for customers navigating complex environments, which is reflected in their raised guidance.
What are the updated figures for their full-year guidance?
They've updated their net sales guidance to a range of $27.2 billion to $27.5 billion, with an adjusted EPS guidance of $3.21 to $3.27. This represents a growth of 22% at the midpoint, showcasing their confidence in continued strong performance.
Operational efficiencies and cash flow. Let's talk about cash flow and operational efficiencies. Flex reported a free cash flow of $275 million. How does this reflect on their operational management?
The free cash flow of $275 million, along with $420 million in cash provided by operating activities, highlights Flex's strong cash generation capabilities. Their focus on operational efficiencies and cost management is evident in their margin expansion and ability to generate substantial cash flow.
How important is this for their future growth?
Very important. Strong cash flow provides Flex with the flexibility to invest in growth opportunities, manage debt, and return value to shareholders. It positions them well for future expansion and strategic investments.
CEO's perspective and market position. What insights did the CEO, Revathi Advaithi, provide about Flex's performance and market position?
Revathi Advaithi emphasized the strength of Flex's diversified business model across various industries, including data center. She expressed confidence in Flex's ability to serve as a strategic enabler for customers, which is crucial in today's dynamic market environment. Her positive outlook reflects the company's strong performance and future potential.
How does this position Flex in the market?
Flex's diversified approach and focus on being a strategic partner to their clients position them as a resilient player in the market. This strategy not only supports their current performance, but also sets a solid foundation for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Flex has delivered a strong third quarter with impressive financial metrics and a positive outlook. Their net sales reached $7.1 billion, and they reported an adjusted EPS of 87 cents, beating the forecast of 72 cents. With a free cash flow of $275 million and raised full-year EPS guidance, Flex is well-positioned for future growth.
Absolutely. Flex's strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies are driving their success. Their ability to adapt and serve as a strategic partner to their clients is a key differentiator in the market.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Flex's performance in the comments below.